Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's first start off near the top and let's draw the nose with the rounded triangle shape. And then color it in black. Next, on both sides of the nose, let's bring it out and then curve it down. And then a curve underneath in the center. And close off each side with a curve across. Now let's move in and let's draw 3 black circles on both sides. Now for the bottom part of the mouth, let's draw a curve down on both sides, and then a curve at the bottom. Now let's move in and let's draw a small line down on both sides at the top, and then another curve across the bottom. Now inside the bottom section, let's draw a small line down from the top. Next, let's move in and let's add some teeth. In the center, let's draw 2 squares up from the bottom. And then 2 more on either side. And then color the rest of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now to draw the rest of the head, I'm going to zoom in. We'll start with 2 curves up and back down on top for the eyes. Now inside, let's draw a curve across. And then a curve down on both sides. And then color the outside section in black. Now inside, let's add another circle. And then another black circle in the center. Next, on top of each eye, let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with the curve on top. Then for the ends, let's curve it up. And another curve on top to close it off. And then color both of the eyebrows in black. Next, let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start next to the mouth and let's draw a curve up and in on both sides. Then let's curve it up, and a curve across the top. Now at the top of the head, let's add the hat. Let's step in from the sides and let's draw a set of small lines up, and a curve across. Now step in again and let's draw another set of lines up, and another curve at the top. And that's it for the hat. Now let's add the ears. On the top left, let's draw 2 angles up and another 2 underneath. and the same on the right side. Now on both sides, let's add a curve. And then curve it out and back in for the shape of the ears. Now top inside each ear and let's add a border in the same way. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's add the bow. Let's draw a square shape down in the center. Then hop out on both sides and draw a small curve down. And then another curve back into the center. Now let's start drawing the upper body. Let's start with a small line out on both sides. And then a wavy line down. And a curve across the bottom. Now inside, let's draw 2 curves down for the patch on the belly. Next, underneath in the center, let's draw 2 small lines down. And then a curve across for the next section. Now let's draw curves down from the sides. Curve them in, leaving a gap in the center. And then close it off with a curve across. Next, underneath, let's add the legs. On both sides, let's draw a curve out. And then a circular curve inside the gap here. Now underneath each side, let's draw 2 curves down for the sides of the thighs. And then a curve across the bottom. Now for the knees, let's draw 2 curves like this to form a pointed oval shape. Now for the next section of the legs, let's draw a curve underneath. Curve it down on both sides. And then close off the bottoms. Now underneath, let's add the feet. Let's start with 2 small lines down. Then let's curve it up and angle it down like this. Now underneath the inside, let's draw a curve out. And then curve it up and in for the first toe. Now for the next toe, let's do the same thing. Let's curve it out at the bottom and curve it up and in on top. And then let's add one more toe in the same way. And that's it for the feet. Now let's move back up and let's draw the arms. Let's start on top near the shoulders and let's draw an angled line down. Then a curve out from the top. And close it off to form a rounded triangle. Next, in between the shoulder and the torso, let's draw 2 lines to connect them. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw 2 small lines down and out. And then for the next section of the arm, let's draw a curve across. Curve it down from both sides. And then close off the bottoms. Now for the next section, let's draw a smaller curve underneath. Curve it down again from the sides. And then close off the bottom. Now underneath each one, let's draw another set of small lines down, like this. Now let's add the hands at the ends. Let's start on the right side and let's draw a curve across. And then a curve in and back out for the thumb. Now let's add another curved finger underneath. A bump next to it. And then one more to close off the hand. Now let's move over to the left and let's draw the other hand holding the microphone. Let's start with a curve across, and then a small curve down on the inside. Now for the microphone, let's add a circle at the end here. And then let's add two curves inside. Now underneath, let's add two angled lines down, and then a curve at the bottom. Now for the first finger, let's draw a curve underneath, another curve up on the left, and then one more to close off the hand. And that's it for Freddy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!